Alright, let me get my mind turned towards the things of wiring. You know, my cousin bought a super cool creeper the other day. It's just flat on this end, and then it's got legs that go down. Awesome for laying up under the dash. I may have to get me one of those. Maybe. What are you doing?
Checking out with this wiring mess. It's awful colorful. So are those fuses.
You know how you eat an elephant?
One something at a time.
One bite at a time.
One bite at a time. Well,
I kind of almost like Zen. You gotta get your mind right to do this stuff, especially when you don't have the diagram. It's gotta make sense. You can't just plug and play. So you gotta think about every wire.
You can't just match the colors.
No, not in this application. Because not only are we messing with this harness, we're integrating. We have to make that power this and all that stuff. So I'm getting it. I just ain't got it. Like Rat Rod Bob says. When are them t-shirts gonna be ready?
Next week.
Alright, I've been eating the elephant here a little bit. I got high and low beam, park lights, left and right front turn signals run through the bulkhead. So that's good. Oh, and the horn too. Because I figure I probably need a horn. Before I figure the routing of all this stuff, probably need to get the radiator and fan and all in it. But it's a work in progress, and it's a work. Alright, now y'all probably figured out by now that whenever I upload a video, it's usually more than a week old. Anyways, I've been out here working away and reading comments, and lots of people are commenting about the DoD delete on the Caprice, and I don't discount that. But at work, I had a truck. I got it new. It was a 5.3 with that on it. It now has 300. I don't drive it anymore, but it now has over 300,000 miles on it. And it ain't self-destructed yet. I don't know. But we did, now that I think on it, turn it off so it wouldn't work about 100,000 miles ago. So, anyways, just food for thought. Still working away at it. I'm using that Quick Connect plug kit I bought. That's for the left front, right rear, left rear wires coming from the turn signal switch. And now I'm going to use there's 7 wires total. Actually, there's 8 coming out of this, but I don't need the 8th one. Something about that dims the park lights for a Ford or something. I don't know. I don't need that. That doesn't understand the Ford thing. So I'm just going to make it work like this. Now I need to get a 3 connector and wire up for the brake light switch and the flasher. So I'm still eating the elephant. I'm giving plenty of slack so I can tuck things up behind neatly and all, and still unplug things so it comes apart easy, because I gotta take all this back apart, you know, for paint. Alright, I got the turn signal switch all wired up, at least inside the truck. You see that little red light blinking? That means my light's about to go dead. And I think my brain might be a little cooked anyways. So I think I'm going to call it a day. It's darn near supper time. And it seems like folks like it when I cook, so I might go do that. Thanks for watching, y'all. Don't forget to hit the like button and the bell or something, whatever it is that makes y'all watch the videos. Please watch the videos. I'm gonna ring the bell. Don't forget to go to MrHeavyChevy.com, where you can buy cool stuff to wear, where everybody will know you're real cool and part of the exclusive club of people who wear that stuff. I do have a DD Speed Shop sticker and t-shirts. Yep. But I ain't wearing the t-shirt because, you know, get greasy out here and I don't want to ruin my church clothes. So, Little Miss made that a long time ago. Pretty cool, ain't it? Alright. I'm gonna quit talking now. Y'all go rest.